Welcome back. I'm joined now by Sarah from the Humane Society of Cobb County. And this cat has actually been entertaining us in the studio for about 15 Whoops!
He's back. I think I'll just hold on to
I think you might want to hold him for now. This is Mr. Miyagi. Sarah, take it away.
Mr.
About Mr. Miyagi.
He got his name because he meows a lot, not because he jumps a lot.
He jumps a lot. I think we overexcited him. We had this little tail thing that we had him getting excited over during the commercial break, and he just literally, we saw it coming, but we didn't know it was going to happen on live television. What kind of cat is Mr. Miyagi?
He's just a domestic brown tabby. He's just a couple of months old, so he's not quite ready for adoption yet, but we wanted to give him his spotlight, which he certainly earned today.
He just stole the spotlight for sure. Yeah. But you know what? That type of personality, we've been watching how playful he is and how very attentive and smart he is. That's the type of thing that people fall in love with through the television set.
It is. And when you adopt a kitten, you just got to get ready for that high energy, because this is the typical behavior, and cats can live up to the age of 25, so it's like a lifelong commitment.
All right, Mr. Miyagi,
okay?
that was your 15 seconds of 15 minutes of fame. For more information on how you can adopt this very rambunctious and very cute cat and other pets from the Humane Society of Cobb County, call 770-428-LOSD or 770-428-5678. There's a website, humanecobb.com, and you can also log on to myfoxatlanta.com and click on the Good Day tab. My producer Naomi said cleansing breath. Let's send it over to Fox 5 Storm Team meteorologist Joanne Feldman. She's jumped outside on the weather deck.